Today, I am going to show you how to replace a door for an under-counter unit. I already prepare all parts and tools to show you. The most important thing to keep in mind when replacing a door is how the door hinges and door springs are handled. Other than this, it is a work that anyone can do, and it is very common sense. Therefore, anyone can easily replace the door by watching this video focusing on how to loosen the door hinge and how to give tension for door spring. Let's start replacing the door now. First of all, you need to remove the old door. If you look here, there are two hinge screws holding the door and you have to unscrew it from this one. Because I unscrewed one in advance, I would only need to unscrew the other one. The point to note here is that there is tension in the door hinge, so the second screw should be loosened a little and slowly. If it is not done as I said, it is easy to cause the screw to bounce off due to tension and not be able to find it. The door spring seems to work well. You should check like this, even after changing to a new door. Now that the door has been removed, let's replace it with a new one. The lower hinge does not need to be touched, but it is a good idea to check for something dirty. Now let's check the new door. I only ordered the door, but it came with the door spring. Since it came anyway, I will replace the door spring as well. This is the important part from here. Those who want to save time can watch from here. As I said, I am putting a new door spring. The door hinge should be carefully checked where it is installed. If it is installed like this, the door will not close well by itself. It should be installed like this. As you see, it must be installed with the screw holes facing outward. This will make it very difficult to place and tighten the screws because of the spring tension. So, put a flathead screwdriver into the screw hole on the right like this and turn the hinge straight into the screw thread hole. In that state, insert the screwdriver directly into the screw thread hole to fix the hinge and tighten the left screw first. The screwdriver is to play the role of temporarily fixing the hinge to the product to drive the left screw. You have to work a little bit to find a position that the driver does not fall out of. After inserting the left screw, the hinge is fixed. Then simply take out the driver on the right. Then install the right screw. Then all work is done. Final check, make sure the door opens and closes properly. If you leave the door open, it closes just like that. It closes well. Today, I made a video about simple door replacement. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and have a nice day.